Hey everyone, I'm Nathania. Welcome to day 7 of our 21-day cleaning routine challenge. Today is floor check. Now what this entails is going through your house. I kind of just go through my kitchen, living room, and dining room, the main areas, and check the floors, see if they need vacuumed, see if any spots need wiped up. I'm not talking you to mop out, just take a wet paper towel or a wet rag, clean up the few spots that you might see, and call that good. The reason I do this every day is because I have kids, and kids make a mess, especially in the dining room. So this is something that I have added to do every single day. Now in the morning, my kids actually have rooms that they're assigned to that they vacuum every day. And then one person also does it in the evening in the dining room. I'll check the other rooms and see if they need anything. So mainly my kids do this, but I help and I do any of the wiping up of the floor that needs to happen or whatever. So if you have kids, this is a great chore to get them involved in. Now be aware that they're not gonna do the best job, but I feel like with them being assigned a room, they take a little more ownership of it. And I always tell them, if so-and-so came over, would you be okay with how this room looks? And sometimes they'll be like, no. So it does help them. Anyway, so on the cleaning routine sheet, you can add it to your morning or evening routine or both, whatever works the best for you. I usually write it on the evening because that's the time that I have to go through the rooms and check the floors and make sure that they look good for the next day. Great job on making it to day 7. We've done a whole week now of all of these routines, adding one new thing every single day. I'm so proud of you for how far you've come. I hope you're starting to see a big difference in your house. Maybe your spouse is noticing a difference. I know mine is. He's excited that he comes home and the house is a lot cleaner than it used to be. So that's always encouraging when your family starts seeing a difference. If you're joining us for the first time, feel free to check out the playlist I have in the description box and go back and watch the other videos, or just start with this day right where you're at and go back after the 21 days and start over with the ones you missed. It's up to you. If you've enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get the rest of the videos for this 21-day challenge. Keep up the great work, and I will see you all back on Monday for day 8. How did this first week of the challenge go for you? Were you able to get all of your check marks and get everything done? If you weren't able to get all of the check marks, that's okay. Just continue to do the best that you can, and your house will continue to look better with everything that you get done. If you need this printable, it's available for free in the description box. Don't forget to write floor check on it and give yourself a big check mark. Way to go for doing a whole week of this challenge. I'm so proud of you and can't wait to see you back here on Monday.